Attention, Ultrasound members and all who share our passion for the frontiers of consciousness research. This is an urgent announcement. We are convening an emergency meeting this Saturday, April 12th, at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Why the sudden change? A groundbreaking paper has just been published, and it's one we've been waiting for. This research dives deep into one of our core areas of focus, the intersection of consciousness, microtubules, and anesthesia. And at the heart of our Saturday focus is Xenon, a naturally occurring element on our planet, and, as many of you know, practically the safest anesthetic in existence. What makes this paper so compelling? It uncovers something extraordinary: megahertz oscillations emanating from the human brain while under general anesthesia. These oscillations, we believe, could be the key to unlocking some of the most mysterious and profound effects people experience with Xenon. For those of us who've been exploring its potential, this is a moment we can't afford to miss. This meeting is not just for Ultrasound members. It's open to anyone with a keen interest in the science of consciousness, particularly in the realms of ultrasound, microtubules, and the very fabric of awareness itself. We're calling this a fiery workshop because it's going to be intense, interactive, and frankly, mind-expanding. And here's where it gets even more exciting. We'll be hosting live group sessions where we all get to use our ultrasound devices together. Imagine the collective energy, the shared focus, the breakthroughs we might achieve in real time. It's going to be pretty awesome. So, mark your calendars, set your alarms, and prepare for a deep dive into the cutting edge of consciousness research. This Saturday, April 12th, 11 a.m. Pacific, 2 p.m. Eastern. We can't wait to see you there.